Hey guys, hopefully I have something exciting for you guys. Now, I hear from people all the time, I love sodas, I miss sodas, and you know, for me, I used to drink Dr. Pepper, I used to drink a lot of Dr. Pepper, but I realized once I quit drinking sodas that I didn't actually like carbonated drinks, like at all. They make my mouth feel weird. To me, it kind of like hurts around my gums and teeth. But I know lots of people love carbonated drinks. So I have a little surprise for you. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to make our Collagen Beauty Booster as a carbonated, delicious beverage. And I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. Now, the Skin Collagen Booster it's a little particular about what it gets dissolved in. So I'm just gonna show you exactly how I do this, and then also recognize that there are so many of our products you could do this with. You could do this with the beverage mix, you could do this with your lift-offs. They're already a little fizzy when they dissolve, but once they're dissolved, they're not carbonated any longer. So beverage mix, lift-off, tea, Nightworks, collagen booster, all kinds of things you can do this with. So I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. And let's move this down here. So what I have is I just have some room temperature water to dissolve my collagen booster in. And I have the collagen booster, of course. I have some ice for once it's dissolved. And then I have a carbonated water. And this one happens to be flavored. Some of them are artificially flavored. Some of them have sugars added. This one happens to be all zeros, like 0 calories, 0 anything. And the only ingredients here are carbonated water and natural flavoring. So there's 2 ingredients. I picked the berry flavor because I thought that would probably be the most likely for me to enjoy. So I'm gonna take my scoop of collagen booster and I'm gonna dissolve it here in just the room temperature water. And sometimes with the collagen booster, if you don't have time just to let it sit, if you let it sit long enough, it's gonna completely dissolve. But you see how we have the little chunks that aren't dissolving. So what I'll do is just kind of smush them against the side of the glass to break up the clumps, because what's happening is the water and the outside powder has made a seal so that the inside powder isn't getting wet inside of the bubble. So they like create this bubble around the product. So if you just smush it up against the side of the glass, it breaks that bubble open, and then all of the product gets exposed to water. So here we go. That's mostly dissolved now. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my ice in, and I like lots of ice. And I've already chilled this, so maybe I didn't need so much ice, but now I just pour the carbonated drink over the top. And now I have this wonderful fruit flavored, carbonated collagen booster, strawberry lemonade, amazingness. Absolutely perfect for summertime. Look at that. Oh, I wish you could, can you hear it? Oh my gosh, that tastes incredible. Cheers.